Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is another cook and clean with me. This is my Meatless Monday series that I have going on right now, and this meal is a pizza type of pasta, and I'm using a large jar of the marinara sauce and just a regular size can of pizza sauce along with a box of pasta. You can use any kind of pasta that you like. So the three vegetables that I'm using are mushrooms, bell peppers, and onions. So I'm just starting off by dicing the mushrooms and the bell peppers and onions, and I'm going to saute them. Now I'm just adding a little bit of Italian seasoning as well as some pink Himalayan salt. And while those are sauteing, I'm just boiling my pasta, and I ended up not even having to strain this pasta at all because the pot that I used was so small that it just absorbed all the water. So now I'm adding my pizza sauce and my marinara sauce.
Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like.
So while that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and load up my dishwasher.
Sing until my lungs give out, you're beautiful.
Now I'm just adding the pasta in with the sauce and mixing it together.
You're beautiful. What are you doing to me? I think I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now.
And we ate ours with Parmesan cheese, or you could add mozzarella cheese if you wanted to on top. It's all up to you. So there you go. That's my recipe for veggie pizza pasta.
In that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful.
Now it's after supper and I'm putting away all the leftovers. If you didn't know this, my husband actually works in the evenings, so it's just me and my 4 kiddos. So these leftover plates are for him for when he gets home and the following day at work.
I'll sing until my lungs give out, you're beautiful.
My 2 older kids actually unload the dishwasher every day for me, and I did not record that, but that's why I'm loading the dishwasher again, because they've already unloaded it for me.
You're beautiful. I wanna put you in that spotlight. Looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out, you're beautiful.
Now I am adding some more water to my oil diffuser.
Same question always.
Now I'm just emptying out my coffee grounds from my coffee maker and getting it ready for in the morning.
We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to.
And now I am just wiping off the counters with my Method Granite Cleaner.
So much better, balconies and bathtubs, what you want. Why don't we just get a place together?
I'm still using my Method stainless steel cleaner. I'm trying to get better at using it. I found where if you spray and wipe really quick in one spot that it does work better. Before I was spraying the entire fridge and then wiping it down and it was leaving so many streaks. But it does work very well on my microwave, my dishwasher, and back there where my clock is on my stove.
We can get white walls.
And right here, I'm just wiping my table and chairs clean with my Mrs. Meyers multi-purpose cleaner in the orange clove scent. At first, I thought that this was a fall scent, and now I realize that it is one of the winter Christmas scents that they have, and I do love the way it smells. I did order all 3 of the scents because I love all 3 of them, but I'm using the orange clove first because I do think it goes a little bit better with the Thanksgiving type of season. And then after I'm through with that one, I will use the Iowa Pine and the Peppermint. Now I'm using it to clean my coffee maker, and I'm finishing off by cleaning my floors, and I'm using my Dyson vacuum.
Why don't we just get a place together?
Now I'm using my Method wood floor cleaner along with a very old microfiber dust mop.
Wake up at 9. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want. Why don't we just get a place together?
So that's all for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I do a lot of cleaning videos and some cooking videos, as you can see. So please stick around and join my family. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.